Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I can install iOS 18 public betas in any iPhone. In the settings, you have to just simply jump to the general section. In the software section, you will see iOS 18 update. But if you are not getting any of the public betas, how you can, let me show you. Just simply jump to the new tab in the Safari browser and here search for the beta apple.com. The first applebeta.com. Tap on this one and just open this sign up option here. Click on this one and now here you have to enroll your Apple ID, or either your iPhone can ask to verify your Face ID. It just redirected to the main website here, right? Just click on enroll your iOS device and now swipe up and click on open beta update, this one, and now you guys can see here off iOS 18 public beta and developer beta. Click on public beta and now you will be able to see the iOS 18 public beta update. So just refresh your iPhone once again and you will see public beta for 6.14 GB. That's all the simple fix. Hope you guys find this very helpful. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.